Hand in hand with the monsoon is the scare of diseases, amongst them malaria.
Now a new trial shows how malaria can be eliminated quite easily, but is it safe?
Anopheles mosquitoes breeding generously in monsoon water just outside brick kilns at Khandera village. Till 4 years ago, malaria was a regular visitor here.
यहाँ तक भी हुआ कि कभी खाना बनाने लायक तक भी यहाँ आदमी नहीं रहा और सभी घर में मलेरिया में पड़ गए.
A survey done in 2003-2004 by the National Malaria Research Centre in Khandera village found 11 cases of the dreaded falciparum malaria and 22 cases of vivax in a population of 2,000, unusually high for western UP. The malaria-prone village then became the setting to test mosquito bed nets. In August 2004, 1,500 nets laced with insecticide were distributed to each family, making it one of the longest-running clinical studies of bed nets in the country. The impact has been startling. In just 4.5 years, malaria has nearly disappeared. In 2008, just 2 vivax cases were reported and not a single falciparum case.
जब से ये मच्छरदानी ऐसी ज्यादा मिली जाती तक बच्चे जच्चा सबको बुखार आते थे. जब मलेरिया आता जैसे आजकल जिसका बच्चे पैदा होते थे तो सबको बुखार आते थे. अब तो नहीं आते ना. अब तो जो ज्यादातर सब लोग मच्छरदानी लगा कर सोते हैं. वैसे कभी कभी हो जाता है ऐसा भी.
The study has effectively shown that mosquitoes carrying the malaria parasite die within 4 minutes after coming into contact with the net. Without human blood, the mosquito and the parasite cannot survive, so transmission of malaria is stopped. These nets can be washed up to 20 times in 5 years, but even after 4.5 years of use, mosquitoes die within 11 minutes. It also allows sufficient airflow to prevent suffocation, a major cause of rejection in traditional bed nets. With its efficacy proven, it is now a matter of months that medicated bed nets will be introduced in the National Malaria Program.
In the 70s, malaria was nearly eliminated in India. However, since then, there's been a resurgence. What is baffling is that bed nets, despite being cheap and effective, have never really been aggressively pushed by the government, even in endemic areas like Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and the northeast. However, now that the trial is complete, the government must ensure that this simple tool reaches every family that's battling vector-borne diseases like malaria and dengue and help save lives. In Khandera village, this is Mahua Chaudhary for NDTV.